All right, what do I do on the days we're slow at the garage? Here we go. This is all from today. Uh, 4 truckloads of wood. We had to go cut it up, load on the truck, and haul it back. There is a project coming soon, probably. An old Toyota dually. Needs quite a bit of body work done. Engine only has like 50 or 60,000 on it, but brand new clutch, whatnot in it. Engine sound. But yeah, that's gonna be a project we do in the garage. Need to put a hubs on that. There's our tire collection for people who need tires. The add-on's going over there. This thing's getting tore down. That's the garden. Need to get more raised beds up. You know, I'm not just a garage, I'm also a homestead where we have we raise hogs and we do gardens every year. So yep, we stay busy. I figured I'd just give you a little show what we do when we get a little slow in the garage.